Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining the exact range that index will read from. This matters because index returns a value from that block. Once you have the range, lock it with absolute references so copying won't break results. Next, determine how you will reference position. Supply a row number directly or compute it with match. Do this now. Select the block, press F4 to fix refs, and plan whether row and column will be static numbers or dynamic formulas. Now you assemble the core formula: index, range, row num, column num. Use match to compute row num from a lookup value, then use match again to find column num if needed. This pairing explains how index stays stable while match handles variability. If you need a whole row or column, supply a blank argument. Once done, wrap index in other functions for aggregation. Finally, test with sample values, so you can confirm the lookup aligns with the correct row and column. Finish by validating the formula across cases. Try exact matches and missing values, and use IFER to display friendly messages. Make sure your match uses match type 0 for exact matches when appropriate, because default behavior can return nearest values. This is a common pitfall. If you're adding rows frequently, convert the range to a table so index references expand automatically. Troubleshooting tip: if values shift, inspect absolute references and confirm you're using one-based indexing for row and column numbers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.